Tomtom NV is a Dutch company that produces navigation and mapping products. Tomtom also makes action cameras, GPS sport watches, fleet management systems, and location-based products. As of 2015 update, Tomtom's business had consumer, automotive, licensing and telematics units. Founded in 1991 and headquartered in Amsterdam, the company currently has 4,000 employees worldwide and sells products in over 41 countries. Tomtom was originally named Tomtom Software, founded by Peter Frans Pauwels, Peter Gielen, Harold Godden and Corinne Vegro. Tomtom currently has 56 offices in 37 countries. In 2008, Tomtom acquired TeleAtlas, a digital map maker, for €2.9 billion. On the 11th of June 2012, at an event for Apple's iOS 6 preview, Tomtom was announced as the main mapping data provider for Apple's revamped iOS 6 Maps app, replacing Google Maps. Late 2015, Tomtom extended its deal with Apple and signed a new contract with international transportation network company Uber. The Uber driver app now uses Tomtom maps and traffic data in 300 cities worldwide. History. Early years. 1991 to 2002. The company was founded in 1991 and, until 1996, developed business-to-business applications such as meter reading and barcode reading. Subsequently, the company moved its focus to PDA software for the consumer market. Early mapping software included En Route, City Maps and Route Planner. The first navigation product was released in 2002. 2002 Tomtom Navigator. The company released its first navigator product, Tomtom Navigator, in 2002, for Windows CE-powered PDAs, bundled with car cradle and GPS receiver. Version 2 of Navigator was released in 2003, followed in March 2004 by Tomtom Navigator 3 for Windows CE. With live traffic data available on subscription, downloaded over the phone, PDA's data connection. 2004 Tomtom Go. In January 2004, Tomtom Navigator for Palm OS was released, using Navcore, a cross-platform navigation engine still used as of 2015. Update. Their first all-in-one device, the Tomtom Go, based on Navcore version 4.1, was released in March 2004. It had a 3.5 in 320 by 240 screen, 200 MHz CPU, 32 MB of RAM and integrated SD reader, and was substantially cheaper than other all-in-one solutions. At £499 in the UK, and by year-end generated 60% of the company's revenue. Some features from Navigator 3 were omitted from Navcore. Tomtom Mobile were released in Q3 2004, based on Navcore. 2005 Navigator 5 and Tomtom Mobile 5. Several Navcore 5 products were released in 2005, with a unified feature and code base. Navigator 5 for Windows CE and Palm OS, Tomtom Mobile 5, and the updated Go models, the 300, 500 and 700. Tomtom Plus for the version 5 release. The traffic subscription service was rebranded Tomtom Pluser. Weather information and the ability to download new voices and other content were added. Updated Go models. All new Go models supported Bluetooth, in order to connect to a mobile phone for Tomtom Plus. The 500 and 700 added hands-free calling, a faster CPU and expanded mapping and storage. 2005 Tomtom Rider and Tomtom One. Tomtom expanded their range of Navcore 5 devices with the ruggedized Rider and the Budget One in late 2005. Both devices use the Surfstar 3 GPS chipset, for much better GPS reception than previous devices. The One was also significantly slimmer than the earlier Go devices, at the expense of shorter battery endurance. 2006, 2007 text-to-speech and Tomtom Home. The Go 510, 710 and 910, using Navcore 6, were released in April 2006. The 910 added MP3 player and text-to-speech for road names. All models supported hands-free calling via Bluetooth. New RDs TMC traffic support and 4 wide screens. The 510 and 710 stored maps on SD card, while the 910 had a 20 GB hard drive. Tomtom Home, software for managing a TomTom from a PC, was first released to accompany the X10 series. Navcore 6 was made available as an update to V5 all-in-one devices in summer 2006, and to Navigator users in August 2006. Text-to-speech was supported only on the 910. In September 2006, the revised Navcore V6-powered one was released. An updated rider was released in May 2007, and a 4.3-in widescreen 1XL. Aside from the larger screen, this added support for an RD's TMC receiver to the existing one. Compared with the 510 and 710, the 1XL, with slightly larger screen, did not have hands-free calling capability, and had a slower CPU, fewer bundled accessories and a lower price. The Go X20 range, released in Q3 2007, had Navcore V7, the 4.3-in screen of the 1XL, built-in flash storage and an SD card slot. V7 had map share, allowing drivers to notify TomTom of closed roads, and for other drivers to share those updates, and speech recognition. All X20s included FM transmitter and an MP3 player. Launch models were the 520 and 720, while the 920, released Q4 2007, added enhanced positioning technology, which estimated vehicle position when out of GPS range, such as when traveling through tunnels. Text-to-speech was supported across the range. The V7-powered 1/3 edition removed Bluetooth, and hence TomTom Plus, from the V2-1, relying on FM TMC for traffic. It included map share but had neither text-to-speech nor speech recognition. The 1XL HD traffic, featuring integrated Vodafone GSM SIM card for internet-linked HD traffic data, and the 1XLS, which included text-to-speech, were released at the end of 2007. Navcore 7 was released for all older TomTom all-in-one devices with the purchase of a new, compatible map. Some versions of the HTC Touch Diamond phone came with Tomtom Navigator 7, from May 2008. TomTom said that they would not make a standalone release of the software, but in 2009 reversed this policy, and Navigator 7 was made available for general sale, without text-to-speech or speech recognition. As of 2015 update, TomTom had not produced a further version. 2008 Enhanced Positioning. TomTom released the Go X30 range in April 2008 based on Navcore 8. New features included IQ routes, which estimated journey times based on average recorded speeds, rather than speed limits, and advanced lane guidance, an on-screen representation of the correct lane to take. The 930, like the X20, had enhanced positioning technology. GSM HD traffic receivers, plugging into the car's cigarette lighter, added HD traffic to the Go range. Refreshed 1 and XL models were released in May 2008, still based on Navcore 7, with an improved speaker. Navcore 8 updates for Navcore 7 devices, including the 1V3 and V4, were released in June 2008. Giving X20 users IQ routes and advanced lane guidance, with the purchase of new maps. HD traffic. The Go X40 series, with Navcore 8.2, was released in autumn 2008. The X40 series was branded Live with built-in GSM SIM card, for connected features including HD traffic, Google Local Search, real-time speed camera updates, and the facility to search for the cheapest fuel en route. In addition, IQ Routes 24/7 used the average speed for the time of day, instead of a time-independent average. X20 and X30 users were given an update with support for IQ Routes 24/7 on buying an up-to-date map. 2009 The Go range was updated again in September 2009 with the 550, 750 and 950 live, with Navcore 9. Compared with the X40, changes were relatively minor. The MP3 player and FM transmitter were removed from the 940 to the 950. Tomtom released a variety of lower-cost models, including a 5-in XXL, with many of the features from the Go X40 and X50, including live IQ routes and advanced lane guidance. They do not have a micro SD slot, and are restricted to a maximum of 2 GB of internal storage, Bluetooth hands-free, and voice control. 2014-2015 In its annual report over 2014, Tomtom outlined its core technology assets as maps, traffic, and navigation. As these assets underlie many of Tomtom's products. In its yearly statement, the company wrote that it provides map coverage with fully navigable maps for 126 countries, and now provides voice-guided navigation in 46 languages. Its traffic service is available in 40 countries and provides real-time and historic traffic information for highways, major roads, and secondary roads. In navigation, Tomtom's navigation engine NavKit provides interfaces that enable the development of customized navigation applications on any device or platform. Tomtom Group business structure. Consumer Tomtom's consumer business is focused on creating location-based products that give consumers the knowledge they need to get where they want to go. Their consumer activities are focused on the drive and sports categories. Products include PNDs, GPS sport watches and smartphone navigation applications. Tomtom consumer products strive to be smart and have intuitive user interfaces, strong GPS performance and innovative design and features. Automotive. Tomtom's automotive business provides modular components and traffic and navigation software to car manufacturers and Tier 1 head unit vendors. Each component can be integrated as a standalone product, or combined into the connected navigation system. Licensing. Tomtom's licensing branch sells Tomtom map, traffic and navigation software. It also offers cloud-based products and platforms that allow developers access to create location-enabled applications for businesses and governments. Licensing focuses on two types of customers. B2B2C, where Tomtom's products are incorporated in end-user applications such as smartphones and tablets, and on the Internet, and B2B, serving professional users for location-based applications such as geographical information systems providers, governmental bodies and traffic management institutions. Telematics. Tomtom Telematics is the business-to-business division of Tomtom and has been operating since 2005. This arm of Tomtom specializes in telematics, providing vehicle tracking, navigation, two-way communications, job scheduling and report logging capabilities to organizations. In 2010, Tomtom said that it was providing its service to over 125,000 vehicles operating in Europe. Telematics offers fleet management solutions for commercial fleets and is also a partner for the insurance industry to provide usage-based insurance products. Telematics WEBFLET software as a service solution allows integration with third-party applications and offers information security certified to ISO 27001 standards. Products. Tomtom as a company offers 5 types of products. Navigation devices, in-dashboard navigation and car control services, navigation software for installation on mobile devices, sports watches, and action cameras. In-dashboard systems are released for the automotive market. The navigation devices and portable devices with installed software are referred to as units. Tomtom Business Solutions products offer telematics services for fleet management, aimed at the business market. The latest of these is the Go 9000, which provides telematics services in a portable unit the same size as the Tomtom Navs. Navigation Tomtom units provide a flying interface with an oblique, bird's-eye view of the road, as well as a direct overhead map view. They use a GPS receiver to show the precise location and provide visual and spoken directions on how to drive to the specified destination. Models are largely hardware compatible. With different software, it has been reported that some users have been able to upgrade low-cost hardware with the software of more advanced models. For example, providing a 1XL or Go 510 with most of the functionality of a Go 940. Tomtom Go, an all-in-one GPS navigation device. It has a touch screen, speaker, USB port, internal lithium-ion battery. Most models have Bluetooth transceivers that allow connection to a smartphone. This allows it to make and receive calls. The Tomtom Go models belong either to the NAV2, NAV3 or NAV4 ranges. Tomtom Camper and Caravan (RV), an all-in-one GPS navigation device. It has a touch screen, speaker, USB port, internal lithium-ion battery. Most models have Bluetooth transceivers that allow connection to a smartphone. This allows it to make and receive calls. In Europe, the camper model is based on the Tomtom Go 1005. In North America, the RV models are based on the NAV3 Start 60 model. The Tomtom Camper and Caravan and RV models belong to the NAV3 range, and their biggest difference compared to other NAV3 models is the map that is supplied with, which allows certain size and weight data to be entered and being considered in the route planning. Technically, any NAV3 device can be made to a camper, RV editing by purchasing the camper map from the Tomtom webshop. Tomtom Pro Truck, designed for professional truck drivers and include truck-specific software and maps. It has a touch screen, speaker, USB port, internal lithium-ion battery. Most models have Bluetooth transceivers that allow connection to a smartphone. This allows it to make and receive calls. The Tomtom Pro Truck models belong either to the NAV3 or NAV4 ranges. Few years ago, truck maps were available to NAV2 models too. For individual professional drivers, the Pro 5150 model is recommended, due to the support provided by Tomtom's general consumer customer support, whilst the other Pro Truck models are supported by Tomtom Telematics only, which require a web fleet account with Tomtom. Tomtom via middle-class GPS navigation device. It has a touch screen, speaker, USB port, internal lithium-ion battery. Most models have Bluetooth transceivers that allow connection to a smartphone. This allows it to make and receive calls. All the Tomtom Via models belong to the NAV3 range. Tomtom Start, an entry-level GPS navigation device. It has a touch screen, speaker, USB port, internal lithium-ion battery, but usually a lower HW specification, compared to the Via and Go models. Some models have Bluetooth transceivers that allow connection to a smartphone. The Tomtom Start models belong either to the NAV2, NAV3 or NAV4 ranges. Tomtom 1 and 1XL. The Tomtom 1 is the base model for automobile navigation. The difference between the Tomtom 1XL and the Tomtom 1 is the size of the touchscreen. Neither model of the 1 contains the added functions included in the Go models, such as Bluetooth hands-free calling and MP3 jukebox. However, the 1 is able to receive traffic and weather updates using the Tomtom Plus service when paired via Bluetooth with a mobile phone with a done data service. The reduced software capability means less demand on the hardware, which allows the One to be sold at a significantly lower price than the Go. The XL is also available as a live version with integrated live services. Tomtom Rider, portable water-resistant models for motorcycle and motor scooter users. They differ from other devices in that the Rider is partly shielded and has a glove-friendly screen and GUI. There are many different models in the NAV2 and NAV4 ranges. Tomtom Navigator, a GPS navigation software product for personal digital assistants, palm devices, pocket PCs, and SIM smartphones. Tomtom Navigator 6 replaced the earlier Tomtom Mobile 5.2. It can use GPS receivers built into the device or external receivers. Navigator 7 was the latest release of this software, released as a part of the software that came with the June 2008 HTC Touch Diamond. Frequently used functions can be added to the main screen of the program, and users can report map corrections and share them with other users. Navigator supports touch screens. Devices without touch screens use a cursor to input data. The software is available on SD card and DVD. It runs on a number of devices listed on the Tomtom website, but will run successfully on many unlisted devices using the Windows Mobile operating system, discontinued in 2010. The DVD version includes a DVD, printed 15-character product code, quick start guide, licensing agreement, a poster with a picture diagram for setup procedure of DVD version and SD card version, and an advertisement for associated Tomtom Plus services. The DVD contains installation software for Tomtom Home, software for mobile devices, licenses, manuals, maps, and voices. The software for mobile devices includes cab files for Palm, PPC, Symbian, and UIQ3. Slogans as of 2008. Update. The global slogan for Tomtom is, "The smart choice in personal navigation." In the United States and Canada, they use, "Go confidently." In the UK, "Find your way the easy way." Sports. Tomtom Sport and Golf watches. In 2011, Tomtom teamed up with Nike to create a fitness watch. Since then, Tomtom have introduced their own watches, and extended the range to the golf players too. All watches include GPS sensors that allow monitoring the user's activities or see green and hazard distances along the golf course. The sports watches also include a heart rate monitor in the strap, and the Spark allows the user to stream MP3 files from the watch to a wireless headset via Bluetooth. Tomtom Action Camera. On the 29th of April 2015, Tomtom announced their latest innovation, the Tomtom Bandit Action Camera. It is Tomtom's first try in the action camera segment. Key dates. List of Tomtom navigational devices. SD, Secure Digital SDHC, Secure Digital High Capacity Micro SD, Micro Secure Digital High Capacity Tomtom Home and MyDrive Connect. Tomtom Home is a 32-bit PC application that allows synchronization updates to be sent to the mobile device. The container states that it is compatible with macOS x v10.3 or greater and Windows ME 2000, XP, Vista 7/8, 8.1. After installation, it has options to choose a device to be associated to and activate the software. A caution is given that the software only allows one device to be associated to an email address, and the associated device can be changed only after 14 days since the previous association. Tomtom Home version 2.0 and above is implemented on the Zurunner platform. With version 2.2, Tomtom Home added a content-sharing platform where users can download and upload content to personalize their device, such as voices, startup images, presets, etc. At the moment, Tomtom Home is on version 2.9. Despite it being based on the cross-platform Zurunner, Tomtom Home lacks support for Linux. However, the devices can still be read in a Linux OS as a disk drive. There is even software made by the community to manage some functions of the Tomtom. The NAV3 and NAV4 range of models use MyDrive Connect. MyDrive Connect is compatible with 32-bit and 64-bit versions of Windows XP, Vista, 7/8, 8.1, 10 Preview, and with most Mac OS. The internal flash memory or the memory card content of the device cannot be accessed anymore through USB for security reasons. The device can update itself by getting files through the HTTP protocol over USB. The support app is nothing more than a proxy on the PC buffering the download. So far, the security achieved using this mechanism has not been broken yet. Also, it is worth to mention that the usage of the non-FAT FAT32 file system brought stability improvement in device operations. On the downside, some users might experience compatibility issues between their PC device and the MyDrive Connect support application. For those issues, Tomtom customer services or members of the community forum are usually able to provide solutions.